What are you laughing at? These are gonna be amazing.
No, it's not opening.
We're gonna manifest the shit out of chicken. We're gonna do.
We need some of those plastic packs in case we pull something good.
Do you think we're actually? I don't think we're gonna pull anything good.
No?
I've had no luck with anything like this for such a long time. Okay, right. That was your pack.
Great, thanks.
And another one. For all the viewers out there. I think, is this the exact same? No. Do. Oh, my